Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 28th of May 2024 and let's see what's happening in the market. Starting with the Forex factory, we have some important news. As you can see that in US dollars, we have a medium impact news at 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. we have heavy impact news is S&P CS composite and 20 HPI, and then we have CB consumers confidence at 3 p.m. That's the dollar news. We normally trade in gold, so I'll focus on dollar news, but unless you trade on AUD or CHF, you can consider these news as well. One of them is gone here, and 5:55 a.m. is in the news. Right. Now let's move on to the chart. Let's see what the chart says. What we learned from last analysis that I did say that market can come up to this level before it moves to the upside, but because there is a evening star here, and as you can see, there was a level here. Market this evening star in daily, and market straightway went to the upside. And now what next? So if the market keeps going to the upside, then the maximum could be normally it's 50% level. Can go up to the 50% level, and also as we can see, the 50% level is coincide with this level here around this area. And going on to 4-hour chart. This is the scenario in 4-hour chart. Going to 1-hour chart for this kind of scenario. But we need to narrow down this. We don't need this that big box. So let's say close down. In 4 hours, we can see that this is this candlestick here. You can call it order block or support area, whatever you call it. Market is probably gonna go a little bit more up to the upside before it rejects to the downside. And you go into 1 hour, you can see the market is making higher highs. Market this fair value gap is tested as well in fair value. And this 1 hour time frame, and on here there is a buy trade here. You can narrow down a smaller time frame. In 1 hour, you can see that the possibility of trade here. Only because there was a rejection from here in higher time frame. Right, that is a learning point from previous analysis, previous day's learning. So what is happening in now that as you can market is making higher highs. Looks like it might come down to the sides. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and probably 5 here. So we possibly move up to the upside. We can take this into 30 minutes or 14 or 15 minutes. You will have this kind of situation. So at the moment, I will take a sell trade around this area. Okay. I will take sell trade from here. And market most likely can come down from here. Right. On the break of this, on a retest, possibly sell trade. Another option is the market breaks this level here, it can go further to the upside. So always work in smaller time frame to find out the exact move or exact possible move. As you can see in 15 minutes, we have this strong level. Hence the market was rejected from here. We're back to 4-hour chart. So we will look buy or sell from here, as I said previously. Buy from here on the retest. So at the moment, there's no trade at the moment in the market. The reason simply because we are having a rejection from here, but this rejection doesn't seem to gonna go very long. The market, because the way the market is moving, as you can see, and 1 hour you can see, the market is moving this in bullish structure. So it's possible that it will go up and before before it come to the downside. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye.